Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you actually to master prompt engineering, and this is actually a full guide to prompt engineering. First you need to know these actually four images. This is the first one, which actually gives you the angles for photography, which is a macro, close up, wide angle, diagonal angle, aerial, high angle, low angle, and oblique angle. And next one, which is the styles, eco minimalism, I don't know what is this, techwear, I can read this, but you can actually type it, dark academia, Y2K, catalog, high fashion, dramatic, headshot, profile, action, landscape, sports, portrait, product, black and white, surreal, food, and fashion. So when you master these, you have to open your browser and go to the website. This is the URL, Say What You See by Arts and Cultures by Google. So when you got here, click on Launch Experiment. This is actually a service and a game by Google, which actually you can master prompt engineering. And as you can see here said, are you ready to learn the art of prompting? So click on Start Level 1. Include information about the medium, subject, and context. A painting of a dog in a field. Let's begin. So here actually gives us an image, so we have to write about that image. Okay, if you occur this error and image didn't load for you, just refresh it and start from begin. So look at this image. What do you see? I see a bowl of noodles and vegetables and I see actually egg, actually cooked egg. Boiled is better. Boiled egg. And add more information to the bowl. Actually, I see a pink bowl. And I think this is enough. Just click on generate. The image will be generated by your prompt by Google, actually AI image generator. As you can see, my actually result was actually similar to the image. So as you can see, the prompt was a soft focus close-up photograph of a bowl of ramen with egg and spring onions. So as you can see here, we have a close-up photograph. So we had this here, close-up. And this was the style which used in this image. I forgot actually. So okay, you have to actually write and prompt for this image. So I do see a fish eye photograph of city with high with is and I think this is enough. Actually, 48 characters. If the image is similar to the next one, you can go to next level, and if it's not, you have to try again and again and again until actually both are similar. It actually takes 30 seconds to generate that image. As you can see, I didn't actually set this scene from below, and we had actually a view from top of that city. So next, let's get to the next one. Here, a wooden figure of a horse a wooden dark brown figure of a horse, and I don't see actually anything else, but on a wooden stand, just here. I think this is enough. Just click on generate. You can also write more, but I think this is enough. As you can see, a photograph of a dark wooden miniature statue of horse against light background. So it was level 1. Each level you take actually gets harder and harder. As you can see here, it says art period and materials, a renaissance oil painting of something. So comment how many levels you go. Actually, then please, if you like this video, please click on subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye.